Tom Koehler gets ready to work. In this series, the Marlins are 1-2. They've won just one of the first 3 games, yet their pitchers have allowed just 15 hits.
Murphy sends one into shallow right center. Ruggiano and Stanton. It's Ruggiano makes the catch.
Don't let the big guy get extension.
He
Good
did.
pitch.
And Koehler strikes him out. Here's the 1-2. That's the breaking ball. Morrison with a diving stop, steps on the bag. Koehler comes back on the outside corner. He's up in the 2 spot now. And Decker with a swing and a miss. He swings and misses, and Koehler strikes him out. Bouncer towards Solano. And he gets the out, and Koehler is through 6. Fly ball center. Ruggiano back, shy of the track, makes the catch.